Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in Canada. So let's get started. So here I will just go and right click search in Google for top business bank list in Canada. Then we have Canada list. So the first bank is your uh, CIBC. Okay. Then we have the Scotia Bank. Then we have TB Unlimited Business Plan for the unlimited transaction and other. So in this video I am going to show you how to open a business account in your BICB. Okay, so here I will directly go at here their website. So to open a business bank account, we'll directly click on the business at here. Okay, so in there you have the account option. We'll just click account, though they have the basic operating account and other. So you are going to everyday operating account if your everyday transaction business. Okay, I will suggest you open with these. Okay, so when you will just go, so you will just click on apply now. Then here we can see the detail to apply. Okay, so here we have the do you do this or no. Then here you have to start the application. Then here you have to give all detail and all the thing. You have to be a Canadian resident. Then you have to age, like if you check, you should have 25% minimum shareholding and you should be at least 18 years old, and other detail will be required. So by these details you can just open a bank account in your Canada, a business bank account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.